Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will start by protecting your system and opening the registry editor. First, make a quick export or create a restore point so you can undo changes. Once done, press Win+R, type regedit, and open the editor. Then follow the left pane to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced. Make sure you see the advanced key. If you don't, create it. This gets you immediately to the exact location where the taskbar size setting lives. No detours. Now you'll edit the size setting that controls the taskbar. Right-click in the advanced pane, choose New Word 32-bit value, and name it Taskbar C if it's missing. Once created or found, double-click it and set the value to 0 for a smaller taskbar. 1 is default and 2 is larger. Click OK to save. Make sure the entry is a 32-bit word, not a Q word, because the system only reads word here. That's the core change you need. Finish by restarting File Explorer so Windows applies the new size. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and click Restart, alternatively sign out or reboot. Once Explorer restarts, check the smaller taskbar. If nothing changes, reboot the PC and verify you edited the correct user hive. Restore your exported registry backup to revert. If you still see no effect, confirm your Windows 11 build supports Taskbar C. Older builds may ignore it, and update Windows before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.